Good morning, Vikings. I'm Jaime.
And I'm Karen, and this is today's news.
Viking staff and students. The girls' soccer team is taking orders for anyone interested in purchasing one of the new stylish gray and black soccer jackets you have seen the girls wearing around campus. Jackets will cost $40 and come in with the men's and ladies' sizes. Please contact the soccer player or Miss Brotherton if you are interested. Orders need to be received and paid for by Wednesday, April 8th.
The Creative Writing Club wants your original short stories, poems, and artwork for its literary magazine Voices. Submissions are due on May 13th to room 240 or to your English teacher.
Seniors, if you've been admitted to any four-year university, Cal States, UC, or private schools, we want to include you in our college acceptance video. Stop by room 403 Tuesday or Wednesday at 2:45 p.m.
Just to let you know, the library will be closed until April 4th for remodeling. We will have few carts of fiction and Magna books and one laptop cart in room 513 available during the closure. Students can come and check out books and use a laptop if one is available, but they can't just hang out. You may want to make another arrangements for printing assignments during that time, as printing from the laptop cards is iffy at best.
There are only 2 weeks left to purchase your prom tickets. Prom tickets must be purchased by April 8th at the student store. Make sure to clear your hours. We will recheck hours when we return from spring break. And don't forget to check out the discount from Fair Tux and David's Bridal.
Seniors, the deadline to purchase your Grad Night tickets for Six Flags is April 15th for only $65. You can save your space with $20 down payment. Grad Night is June 9th after graduation, but the bus will not leave until 9 p.m. Tickets are on the first come, first served basis, so don't miss out on a chance to party the night away last time with your high school buddies at Six Flags.
Open house is tonight at 6 p.m. Be sure to invite your families. Come early to enjoy some delicious tacos, agua frescas, and other items sold by our PTCA. Seniors, we also having a senior parent meeting that night at 8 p.m. to discuss graduation. Don't miss out.
Faculty and staff, please excuse the varsity baseball and softball teams at 1:30 p.m. and the JV baseball and softball teams at 2:15 p.m. today. Thank you.
For more videos, visit mvvista.com.
This concludes your morning announcements.
Have a wonderful day, Vikings.